Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 40 TFSI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, you do get multiple elements of black styling, including the window surrounds, roof rails and front and rear bumper elements. And from the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine, you get 187 brake horsepower with 320 Newton meters of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch Audi Sport 5 twin-arm alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key or the button underneath the Audi rings on the boot lid itself to reveal maximum boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. With the rear seats folded down, you get extra storage space for those larger items. Moving inside, you have the part leather, part cloth interior for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests and dual cup holders and rear air vents so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer rear seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in there at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is fully configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, such as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple options available to you. This vehicle is also fitted with the Comfort and Sound Pack, offering the rear view camera, front and rear sensors to make parking all the easier. As part of the Comfort and Sound Pack you also get the Sonos Premium sound system, which is fully customisable with treble, bass and subwoofer settings for you depending on your auditory needs. Thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 40 TFSI Quattro, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team or come and take a look for yourself.